1-month-long yatra, Kushal Kalyan Yatra. Kushal is a tape, a bird known to every languages in India. That means happiness. And Kalyan means welfare of the people, welfare of the nation and state. So a yatra for praying before the Almighty, for all, including the governor and all other MLA and all others, we are praying for the welfare of the people, welfare of the nation, and we are praying for happiness. So as a part of that, this historical temple, its history about more than 500 years, and all those things are narrated to me by my Sardeshai here, and very proudly I can say we are maintaining a temple very properly, and these types of temples are blessing all of us always, and so that is why the yatra. And last time 9 temples with the temples and one seminary we covered. The seminary is also Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda 3 days spent there. And it's an historical thing. So spiritual tourism also. I am thinking to prepare a book on this in English and the local language, and through that process, so going to temple, going to seminaries, and all these things are not known much to the people. So make it as an important tourist hub or center, and for that we will try. Rajbhavan's attempt is like that, and I wish all the best for all of you.